Hello guys, welcome to Ustream channel. Today I'm going to discuss about Skillshop. So this is actually a free online place where you can learn digital marketing certificate within a free of cost, and they are not going to charge anything. Okay, so today I'm going to tell you what's the process and what are the tools they are providing us to learn. Okay, let's go on to this. I can just go and click on it. Actually, I'm just going to sign in. It is asking me to give me that account. So if you want to access my account, I'm giving the access. So it will not going to take any other information from your account. So it's just asking you for the permission. Okay, so I'm just allowing it. Okay, you can see actually I've created this account I think maybe 1 month back. So if you can see the catalog, these are the tools they are providing us to learn. Okay, in Google Ads you can see there are different certification courses. This Google Ads certification is a combination of it. If you go to the certification course, so there are 6 types of modules. One is display certification and is search, and one is measurement certification, Google Ads video certification, shopping ads, and Google App certification. So you want to learn about Google Ads platform, then you have to master these 6 chapters. And after that, this is another tool, marketing tool, and you can also go inside it. And there is only one thing, if you want to go here, actually the topics all are covered. Means here if you can see, there are actually 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 kind of classes. If you go here, this is a combination of exam plus and the guidance. So both are same. If you want to go for certification, you have to learn all the things which are covered here will be covered in this one also. Okay, so this is Google Ads, Google displays, Google Ads display. So it is showing me something. Sorry, so I'm in Google Ads only. So if I am going to Google marketing platform, so these are very important for digital marketer who want to master in their fields. So DV360 is important, Search 360 is important, Campaign Manager is a ad server which is very important, and Google Web Designer is to create creatives. Creative means ads with the help of Google Web Designer, and creative they are giving some kind of some specifications. Okay, after that Google Analytics Academy, so this is also important. So Google Analytics individual, this is an certification you can do later. This is also very important. And in this day-to-day life, actually YouTube is making most of the whatever the money making and all, everything. If you want to know, you can just master this course also. This is also important in the market. So if you want for other Facebook marketing and SEO, so then you have to go for other platforms. Here also you can, Google Ad Manager is some kind of placing pixels on the website with the help of Tag Manager. They changed it to Google Ad Manager. There also you can learn it. There are actually many kind of things. Actually this is also a very good platform, Google AdWords. So you can also master it. And there are different things. Waze Academy, and you can also check other these things. So the main important things are Google Ads, and another is Google Marketing Platform, Analytics Academy, and YouTube. All these things you can learn free, and there is no charge. Anytime you can do this certification at any time, and even if you fail many times, there is also no problem. You have to master it, And there is one more thing, whenever you are writing exam, actually there is 24-hour time period. If suppose you fail in that exam, then after 24 hours only, then only you can take the exam. Okay, so this is what this platform provides you. And sorry, let me after doing this course, you will get a certification. You can keep it in your LinkedIn platform, which is useful for your digital marketing career. Happy marketing. Thank you guys.